Healthy living is affected by many factors, including diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and environmental factors. Some of the ways in which these factors can affect healthy living include: diet. A healthy diet is essential for maintaining good health. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables can help prevent chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Exercise. Regular exercise can help maintain a healthy weight, improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, and reduce stress. Exercise can also help prevent chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Sleep. Adequate sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to a variety of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and depression. Environmental factors. Environmental factors such as air and water pollution, exposure to chemicals, and climate change can affect health. Taking steps to reduce exposure to these factors, such as using air filters, reducing chemical use, and supporting policies that address climate change, can help promote healthy living. Overall, healthy living is a holistic approach that involves making lifestyle choices that promote physical, mental, and emotional well-being. By making positive changes in areas such as diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and environmental factors, individuals can improve their overall health and quality of life.